So I'm going to show you how to set up the sliding gate motor. So you understand that at your site there are some prerequisites that you need to set up when installing a HIKVISION sliding gate motor. So the first one is you must actually install the gate and ensure that it's actually moving smoothly, well greased, well oiled, so that it doesn't get stuck along the way. Also ensure that the installation has considerations for other external factors like wind, rainwater. All those factors have to be considered. Then you deploy your sliding gate motor. When you're deploying, it will come with a bracket, it will come with some accessories that you can use to set up your gate motor. So I want you to put that into consideration. Like here, I have the mains power already connected the wires. I have the detectors. These detectors I have already set up the terminals of power and the trigger itself. So once you set up this, then this is the base of the gate motor. So you'll see this is the motor, the lane controller itself, which has its own system, and the actual jaws that ensure the sliding effect. This gate comes with two key fobs. This gate motor, it comes with two key fobs, and it also comes with a key. So I've just paired this, so I want to try and open it. Just want to show you that when you open it this way, you have released this so it can freely move. So for testing purposes, you want to try and use it in that manner. Okay, so I already made the consideration for wiring. So let me just lock it first. Then set it up on this precasted. So you understand you have made your base precasted properly. So I'll come and slide this in. I have to do some adjustment here and there so that my gate motor actually fits. So you see, after sliding it, I come and make sure that it aligns with what? With my gate. So after it aligns here with this grill, remember you have to get this bar, then I'll just lift and balance it. For the professional of gate installation, I think you have done this before, so it shouldn't be a challenge for you. So I'm just trying to lock it to make it stable like that. So after that deployment, you get your screws, you get your washers and the bolt. By default it comes with number 16 size, but I'll just put in the washers first. After putting in the washers, I'll do the extra wire washer, then I'll do the bolts. Or it's the nut, actually it's the nut, because we usually have that relationship of the bolt and the nut. So after doing this, I just want to ensure that I don't lock anything out of my deployment. So in this case, I'm talking about these cables. So I want to properly have them organized so that by the time I'm doing anything else, they're already organized and I'm not struggling to unscrew. I don't know do what and what and what. So I have it here. I'll also pull the detector cables. Okay, I need to get the second one. I got one. Yeah, so like this. So I'll just balance them and then now pull them out uniformly. Nice. So once they're here, now I can just confirm the alignment again and then go ahead and screw it down. So just bear with that process. After screwing it down, I take my spanner and tighten the nuts. Then I tighten also this other side. Okay, now it is set. So if I release it, my gate should be able to move without any interference. So let me release the gate. You see, it's just moving. Okay, even before I power my motor, already I'm sure that it has properly aligned. So that is one. So after you've done this, I get this. This is the power system. The power module, which has a connector for power out, that is DC and ground, then the battery in, so I can add backup. Then there is also the main and the grounding board. So this is the next part that you deploy. So let's do that. Again, I need to manage my cables first. So I'll do that. I'll pass this through here. Pass this other one through the next slot, so that I have it ready to deploy. Okay, cool. So after doing that, let me lock this first once again. Let me lock it, and then now I install this properly. For those who are installing this, you want to note that it has a locking system, and or let me say a locking mechanism where you can slide it in and confirm that it has actually been locked in. So I'm just trying to confirm that part. It needs to come from, oh, I need to open this first, sorry. To open this so that I make way for its installation. Okay. Nice. So you see, the moment you just do that, it slides in and then it locks here and under it. So yeah, like that. So now it's firmly secured. I can go ahead and now lock it again. Lock this mechanism, and then I have my power module secure. The next part, we have the access control board. So this access control board has a tamper. Anytime the gate case is open, the tamper will always trigger an alarm. So how do you install this? This one you just slide on top of this. The gate already comes pre-installed. The gate motor already comes pre-installed, but I'm just setting it up and showing you the whole process. Then I connect the motor to the access controller board. I connect this. This is the power from the motor. So power from the motor comes from the access control board. Then I also need to connect. So now it's time to do my complete connection. So I connect the line in. I'll also get this. This is the wiring for my triggers. So I plug it in and you'll see ground and 12V out, then alarm IR 1. If you have another IR, you can add. So it supports adding 2 IRs. Then after that deployment, let me just pull back my cables so that I don't have too much cable lying inside the motor. But remember, you also need to provide an allowance for the gate motor's maintenance. All right. Now next, after doing that setup, I need to show you the other parts. The missing cable. This is the missing cable, which is to power from ground to ground, DC to DC. So I plug that in. I plug it in here also, like that. Nice. What next? I need to ground my system. Actually, I left out this ground wire for the motor, so I'm just going to go back. It's not complicated. I'll just slide the access control board, then unscrew this part so that we can also ground our motor. So that is that. Then I plug into this, I connect to this cable, plug it in, make sure it's well aligning. So I'll just try to align it. There is a magnetic field inside, so you need to control and make sure it's properly aligning. Like in this case, it has not aligned properly. Let me just do that. Nice. It's supposed to capture and lock in efficiently, not remain loose. So for some reason it's a little bit challenging to fit it in.